Let's go. This is Stampy. He has bendable arms. You can also make him look like he's taunting you. Look at Camilla. You can move his head up and down. I actually made this myself. You can make him kick. He has bendable knees. And yeah. What should I make? Oh yeah, I did. So yeah, this is my Stampy doll. If any of you will subscribe to Stampy, please, well, it's more of an action figure at least, please go tell him about my channel and how I made a video to like and represent what I made for #1 fan. Well, my name isn't #1 fan, my YouTube channel is no cost, but yep. Oh yeah, and you can make him look like he's eating. So, yep. Goodbye.